Guess what? I give it to females on occasion too. I'm not sure why I called it that way, except for that it does really help men. Guess what? It helps men 40 and above. Most time, by the time they're hitting 50, a few things start to happen. Parts don't work like they used to, and sometimes your testosterone starts to sink a little bit. Now, this helps your adrenal glands make more testosterone. Well, you think, well, why not do it with the testicles or something else? Well, guess what? We find that your adrenals try to pick up where your testicles start to decrease. It's like in women when they go through menopause. Well, I think menopause happens. I'm telling you, it absolutely does happen, but we don't follow it like that. We just find we got grumpy old guys with a little pot belly that's causing a lot of trouble myself. But this is a product that I use to be able to support the adrenals, because the adrenals many times are what is being leaned on as we're aging to be able to supply extra testosterone. So this is an herbal formula. So keep in mind that. So if you're already on hormone replacement, testosterone creams or shots, you don't take a product like this. You don't need a product like this. But if you were trying to avoid such things, I'm telling you, there are many, many, many approaches to be able to keep you from those next steps that really do work. Now, when you get in your 70s and 80s, I think there's some other medicinal things you have to do. But before that, from about 45 to up to 70, this makes a huge difference. Been using it for years, love it, safe. I have not had any problems. I think you'll enjoy it. All products are manufactured in a GMP-approved facility, and we recommend that healthcare provider is supporting you in any decisions you make.